It's sad as an innocent purchaser when you acquire a property and you're about to enjoy the dividend of that purchase. You begin to face encumbrance from third-party claims, trespassers, or even government interests. That's why, as a lawyer, we cannot overemphasize the importance of due diligence. Welcome on board with Property Law with Amanda. So in this series, I'll be discussing on 7 salient areas in which you're meant to look into before you buy that property. So I'll talk about the first 4, then in the next video, I'll talk about the other 3. So do well to hit that notification button so you're aware when the new video drops. What is due diligence? Simply put, investigation. When you're trying to verify the authenticity of the vendor's title. When you want to buy a land, you just don't buy because it's available or because you want it. You need to investigate. You need to know, how did this land come about? Who am I supposed to pay to? Who has the right to transfer ownership to me? This is simply due diligence when you are trying to investigate the fact of that property. So 1, you need to know the nature of title. And there are basically 2 kinds of nature of title. We have the statutory and the traditional. The statutory has to do with the document, while the traditional is, for example, community land, family land. There might be documents to show, but it's owned by the community and the family. And this takes us to the second point, the root title. The root title is linked with the nature of title because you cannot investigate the root title without knowing the nature of title. For example, Mr. Okonkwo is from, Sunshine Community. And the community has given him, his family, Okonkwo family, a portion of land. The nature of that title is traditional title. So where Miss Maria comes to Mr. Okonkwo to buy that land, she has to investigate the roots of that family ownership. How did this property move from the community to the family? She's investigating the root title of that property. And should also be aware that an individual, Mr. Okonkwo, cannot single-handedly sell that property to Maria. It's only the principal partner and the eldest of that family that can transfer title of that family-owned property to Maria, except where the family has decided to apportion a particular land to Mr. Okonkwo. That's when Mr. Okonkwo can transfer property to Maria. So to summarize this, the nature of the title help you understand or investigate the root title over the property. So when Maria buys that property from Mr. Okonkwo's family, she's given a title document that now becomes statutory title. So when you want to buy the land from Maria, you have to know that you need to investigate documents because Okonkwo family has transferred ownership to her, and there must be a transfer document or transfer instrument showing proof that Maria now owns that family land. So